Hello, my name is Abby Robertson, and this is going to be my first episode of my baking show called Bake It Till You Make It. And I'm going to be making strawberry Pop-Tarts out of these pie crusts. And come along and see how we do it.
Okay, so the ingredients you need for this recipe are going to be a pie crust or puff pastry of your choice, strawberry jam, 1 egg, powdered sugar, milk, vanilla flavoring, and red food dye. You want to first wash your hands since you will be touching the food as you prep. Go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 degrees so it is ready to bake once everything is put together. Next, you want to roll out your pie crust, and I used a pizza cutter to make the crust more of a square shape. You're going to cut the crust into 6 even squares and go ahead and repeat this step for the second pie crust. You're going to whisk together an egg wash using 1 egg. You will later use this to seal the Pop-Tarts and brush a top coat on as well. The next step is putting on the strawberry jam and spreading it out on each pastry, leaving the 4 edges clear to be able to seal them later. Now you want to get a basting brush and brush the egg wash on all 4 corners of the bottom half of each Pop-Tart. After you have done this to each, place the top pastry onto the bottom. I used the cut off pieces of pie crust to make little Pop-Tart bites so the edges didn't go to waste. I repeated all these steps to the small pieces. Take a fork and lightly press all around the corners of each Pop-Tart to seal in the jam. Take the basting brush again and just lightly cover the tops of each Pop-Tart with the egg wash. Once you have coated each Pop-Tart, the oven should be preheated and you can put them in there for 10 minutes. While the Pop-Tarts are baking, you want to go ahead and mix together the icing that will go on top of them. For the icing mixture, you want to whisk together 2 tablespoons of milk, a half teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, and a half cup of powdered sugar. Once there are no more clumps, take the red food dye and use 1 drop to color the icing and set it in the fridge while the Pop-Tarts cool. I accidentally used 2, so mine looked more red, but it will work out no matter what. Take the Pop-Tarts out after 10 minutes and place them on a wire rack to give them time to cool off. Once the Pop-Tarts are cool, take a spoon and drizzle the icing over the Pop-Tarts, as well as some pink and red sprinkles for decoration. And there is my final product of homemade strawberry Pop-Tarts.
Thank you so much for joining me as I made my homemade strawberry Pop-Tarts, and I hope that you'll try it for yourself.